welcome back to another video. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create subcommands in discord.py. What actually a subcommand is. So, for example, you are making a help command for your Discord bot, and for help command you have several categories. Like you have music, moderation, role management, reaction roles, welcome messages, like you have many categories in your help command. Now you want to make a command like you use your prefix help and then you mention the category like help music, help moderation, and it shows a different embed for just the specified category. Subcommands are useful in many ways. Also use if-else conditionals to do the same things, but they are like very complex. To do these things we can simply use groups and subcommands. How actually a subcommand works is very easy. To implement subcommands, I have to create a group. So I will create a group by @client.group and will pass the name, which will be help. And make sure if you are making it like help, make sure you have your default help command turned off. It's like help_command. Now we will send the command worked, something like await ctx.send command worked. Now if I run that, it will simply show that the command worked. Now I will create a subcommand under this group. So for example, I am creating a subcommand for music category. Now we have to do like @help.command, and here the help is actually the group we created above. So we will do async def music, as I am making this music category. You can replace it with anything you are doing it. And now I will just await ctx.send help for the music command, help for the music category. Now if I just run command without using this music thing, it will show that this help command, you can see the help command work. And now if I mention music, you can see that the music thing also worked. But it's replying to both of them. Here just type invoke without command equals to true. Now if I run, you can see it's working fine. Now in this subcommand you can create as many subcommands as you want. You can also build an embed with some emojis and some text variants to make it look better. And this was all for subcommands, and now I will tell you how you can do the same thing with if-else conditionals. For if-else conditionals we have to pass one more argument to check whether there is a category or not. So I will just create here a command client.command and name equals to, I will just comment this group to make a new one here, @client.command, and it's a help command. Now I will pass some arguments here. ctx and here arg1, which is basically anything. You can replace it with anything. Okay, so now we will check whether this arg1 is anything we need or not. So if arg1 double equals to music, which means that if you type the command like .help and then music, type the category you want to show, then this if-else conditional will work. Music. Now await ctx.send music. Okay, now if I run it, it will give me output music. Okay, so now what if this argument 1 is not provided and the command is just used like .help? It will raise an error. So we will check that whether this argument contains a value or not. Now just elif argument 1 double equals to none, which means that argument 1 is not provided. await3text.send, I will send the categories here and how to use the commands like .help and then these all subcommands, which is just a category like music, moderation, welcome messages and stuff. You can see if I don't provide this argument 1, it will send me this. Now what if I provide argument 1 but it's not present in my if-else conditionals, like I'm not checking if the input will be this. Something like I will check help subscribe. As I have done nothing to read this subscribe, it will raise an error. To fix this, we will just use else. Else, please select a valid category and category names. Now it have a perfect error handler. It's working fine. You can use both the things. I prefer groups and subcommands as they are easy to manage, and if-else conditionals you can also use, but there are few limitations. This is how you can use subcommands, and these things are really cool. Like if you want to create more pages and more category to one command, you can just use subcommands. This was it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Thank you very much.